Okie dokie, let's get this going. Today, you will find the perimeters and areas of parallelograms and triangles. Okay, so let's go over some things here. So let's keep in mind that on a parallelogram, those were those sides where like the slanted rectangles. But to be honest, it's more sides, opposite sides are parallel, and kind of go from there. Now, the height of the parallelogram, that's what's important, is the perpendicular distance between any two parallel bases. So in reality is, I can have, like what I've got drawn here, notice how this height right here connects this base, this side to this side. So since that's the perpendicular, I'm calling that the base, and the height is what's connecting those two. Now, if I had gone and say a different way and gone, say, something like this, dun, 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 then all of a sudden this is a different height with this as a base. But, you know, we'll just make sure you pay attention to drawing. Look for the height first, and then the line that's connected to it would be the base. For example, first off, let's talk about perimeter. Again, perimeters add up to the sides, but here's the thing. If the sides are, since the opposite sides are congruent, then if you add two sides and multiply by 2, you would get the perimeter. And then base times height is the area. So notice there, that's why it's important. So if you look at a problem like this, you want to find the perimeter and the area, right? So the idea here is, what is the perimeter, what are the sides, what is the base, that type of thing. So for the perimeter, what I'm going to do is, okay, 2 times, what are my two sides? On the outside, the two sides are 10 and 5. Or 10 and 4, sorry. Okay. Okay, so 10 plus 4 is 14, times 2 is going to be 28 inches. Now area, okay, is base times height. Now obviously the height is that line that's inside, so that's 5. But what is the base? What is the side that it connects to? It connects to the 10 inches. Because if this side is 10, right here, this side is also 10. So that means then that the base is 10 inches. So then the base is 10. 10 times 5 is 50. 50 inches squared. Okay? Fairly simple, right? Okay, so let's look at another problem. This one's a little harder. Alright, so let's do the area first. You can see here, that 24 inches, that's a straight down. Like that. Note, even though it is on the outside, it's a straight down distance. So that right there is the height. And the base is at 23 that it connects to. Okay, not the 7. 7 doesn't even have anything to do with that right now. So I can find the area and say 23 times 24 and get 552 feet squared. Now, how do I find the other side? Because it's not 24. Whoops, I'm going the wrong direction. Okay, and guess what? This is where we bring up some other things you may have used before, like, I don't know, the Pythagorean theorem, where we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And that means you say 24 squared plus 7 squared is equal to c squared. You get 625, take the square root, you get 25. So then that side that's slanted is 25, and I can say 2 times 23 plus 25 will give me an answer of 96 feet. Not so bad, right? Okay, one more example. Let's have some fun here. Alright, so let's bring back special right triangles. You know, those ones where you had to do 45, 45, 90, and that would be like x squared to 2. Or the 30, 60, 90, where I had like x squared to 3, and 2x. Oh yes, those are back. Anyways, perimeter is easy because I am giving you the two sides. So 2 times 8.5 plus 15 will give you 47 millimeters. Sorry. But how do I find the area? Again, if the 45 tells you that each of these little bits is like x squared to 2. Well, this is the x squared to 2 side. So I need to divide that by that 8.5 by the square root of 2. And when I do, I'll get 6.01. That is the height. And so I can say 15 times 6.01 to get 90.15 millimeters squared. Okie dokie. Now let's look at triangles. We probably won't get more harder than that. Alright, look. Here's the thing about triangles. Let me back this up a bit. Okay, the height is the perpendicular distance from, say, a point to to a side. That side that it connects to for that 90-degree angle is the base. Now, it can be on the outside. Like if you have an obtuse triangle, then your height is going to go stay straight down. You see that 90 degrees. Your base is still that side of that triangle that got extended to join the height. And the height is just that drop down distance. Or if you were like, say, sideways and did something like this. Again, you see how that 90 degrees is right there. That little line is the height, the dotted line. And that side it connects to is the base. Okay? So, area here is considered to be 1/2 base times height. Why? Here's a parallelogram. Okay, we can see the heights right there, right? We got a base. Well, guess what? If the height can connect that corner to the base, I can connect the other corner. I can connect the other corner to the other base, the top, and do like that. Now, if I divide those in half, okay, so we already know a parallelogram is base times height. Well, if I divide that in half, I've got two triangles. And this area, like let's say right here, would be half of that parallelogram. So that's why it's like base times height divided by 2, or half of base times height, which I kind of got rid of way too quickly. There you go. Alright, so here's another example. Can't make it too easy for you. Alright, so let's do perimeter and area here. Okie dokie. Okay, we're going to do area first, because that one's easy. What's the height? 30. What's the base? What connects to it perpendicularly? I think, is 19. So the base is 19, the height is 30, and I'm going to multiply those two and then divide by 2. When I do that, I end up with 285. I hate those bells. Alright. Anyways, so you can see here, now I got to find that missing side, and how do I do that? The Pythagorean theorem. It is the hypotenuse of that little outside triangle. So again, 27 squared plus 30 squared is going to give me 1,629. Take the square root of that, and I get about 40.36. So now to get the perimeter, I would add 19 plus 41 plus 40.36. And then I could just add them up, and I get that it is approximately 100.36 inches. That's it. That's all. Simple, right? Guys, again, the more you practice this, the easier this will be. And it is so important. I know sometimes y'all think, but trust me. Anyways, I thank you for your time. Y'all are doing great. Keep it up. Thank you so much. Y'all take care.